In this video, you'll learn how to sell NotCoin on the OKX platform. By following these steps, you will be able to execute trades efficiently using either the market or limit order options available on the exchange. Begin by navigating to the OKX website or opening the OKX mobile application. If you are not already signed in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, you should be directed to your account dashboard where you can see your balance and recent activity. Next, locate the trade option in the main menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and then select Spot. This will take you to the trading interface, which may present you with either a basic or advanced layout. Choose the interface that you are most comfortable using for your trading needs. In the trading interface, you will notice a search box typically located at the top of the page. Click inside this box and type NOT to find the NotCoin trading pair. Look for the pair that matches your requirements, such as NOT/DSDT. This will ensure you are trading the correct asset. After selecting the NotCoin trading pair, you will be presented with options to sell. You can choose between a market order and a limit order. A market order allows you to sell your NotCoin instantly at the current market price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price at which you want to sell, decide which option best suits your trading strategy. Once you've made your selection, enter the amount of NotCoin you wish to sell in the designated field. After confirming that the details are correct, click on the button to confirm the order. You should see a confirmation notification indicating that your order has been successfully placed. After the sale is completed, the proceeds, such as USDT, will be credited to your OKX account. If you wish to withdraw these funds, ensure that OKX supports fiat withdrawals in your region. You can then proceed to withdraw the funds to your bank account or another wallet as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.